Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe.
Interaction Studio is a powerful platform that allows you to capture user behavior in real time on your website that then connects to an individual profile, allowing you to personalize their experience in the moment. However, the way this occurs is not always clear. Is it magic? Am I a wizard? Unfortunately, neither are true. The process is actually very straightforward and starts with our Web SDK. Through a first-party cookie, Interaction Studio is able to capture key data elements about an anonymous visitor or a known customer as they interact with your site. To put this into practice, I'm going to start a journey as a customer might, exploring the website. The instant I arrive on the site, a new unique profile is created for an anonymous user within Interaction Studio. Recently, I have been interested in going on a camping trip and want to purchase a new tent. First, I'm going to check out what gear they have. Now, I'm going to drill further down into the catalog by looking specifically at camping. I'm looking for at least a two-person tent that won't break the bank. The Stormbreak 3 tent looks perfect, so let's take a closer look at some of the details on the product display page. I'm not ready to purchase just yet, so I'm going to stop my journey here. Now, let's transition back to Interaction Studio to see how this data is then populated within the platform. Interaction Studio captures activity at the website and per user level as events that can be viewed in the event stream report on the left-hand rail. I can use this to find the profile where these real-time actions were just captured on the Northern Trail Outfitters site. Navigating to the bottom of this profile screen is a tab called the Event Stream. Here, it shows each action I took and every page I viewed during my journey. We can see page view in action with a specific timestamp, including home page, view category, view item, and even view cart. For more granular detail, I can go back to the Overview tab and check the purchase stream on the right-hand side that shows my interaction with the Northern Trail Outfitters catalog. For example, what category and product I viewed, as well as how long my online session was this visit. So as you can see, no magic or wizardry here, except the interactions with your site being captured in real time to enable real-time interaction management and personalization across your channels. For more information, check out the knowledge base to access anything about Interaction Studio, where everything is searchable by keyword. You can also sign up for guided in-depth lessons of core functionality at ecampus.evergage.com. To stay up to date with upcoming videos of new capabilities, make sure to like and subscribe.